Welcome. Today we're going to overview some of the reasons that people downsize and choose to make a move. So there's about 9 major reasons, and we're going to kind of drill down on those a little bit more, and these will help you determine your why. So understanding your why will get you to your destination. Let's start with number 1, lifestyle choice, experiences over possessions, and embracing minimalism. Some people find it's time to make the change and actually enjoy life a little bit more, so they're choosing it as a lifestyle choice. Financial savings, number 2, reducing or eliminating a mortgage, lowering property taxes, lowering insurance and utilities. Number 3, retirement. It's time to free up equity, reduce costs, and simplify life for retirement. Empty nesters. Number 4, the home feels too large, children have moved out, and it's time for a cozier space. Number 5, less maintenance, less house cleaning, less or no yard work, less repair and maintenance. Number 6, life transition, a divorce, a loss of a spouse, or perhaps a career change. Number 7, accessibility, making the move for easier mobility, fewer or no stairs, closer to health services. Number 8, location, perhaps more desirable climate, to be closer to family or a more walkable neighborhood. Number 9, health and fitness, choosing a place that has more hiking and walking accessibility, a fitness center, golf, pickleball, skiing, water sports, to name a few. So think about your new life. Once you've reached your destination, what do you see? What do you feel? So just review that list of main reasons that people make a move. Determine your top 3, drill down to your number 1, and see yourself at your destination. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next round.